So you have decided that you want to purchase a life insurance policy but still wrapping your head around the commonly used terms, conditions, which insurance company would be the most suitable for your needs. A decent life insurance policy may one day be essential for your family's financial stability. Stick around and I will help you make up your mind and provide you with an overview of different life insurance plans and the best life insurance companies in the US. First thing is first, a life insurance policy is a binding contract between an insurance company and a policyholder where the policyholder pays regular premiums in exchange for the insurance company paying a death benefit to the plan's beneficiaries. The beneficiaries are the recipients of the death benefit if the insured person dies. The life insurance policy you purchase may be sufficient to replace your previous income and cover the other costs of your family members may face, such as funeral expenses, college tuition fees, and even taking care of an all family members through adding riders to the policy. Riders are provisions that offer additional benefits in exchange for an additional cost. Riders enable the customization of the life insurance policy in a way that is most suitable to the policyholder. And before we get into the best life insurance companies in the US, let me help you with your homework and pin down some key terms that you must know before going forward with your plans to purchase a life insurance policy in the US. Let's dive in and take a look at the top life insurance companies in the US. First, let's start with Prudential Financial. This company has been providing people with insurance for more than 140 years as of this date. This reflects this company trustworthiness. They provide term life insurance policy coverage, universal life insurance policy, indexed global life insurance coverage, and variable global life insurance policy. And you can add riders to your plan that include an unexpected survivor benefit. This helps the insurance holder to have some peace of mind in a way that the company won't rip them off. As mentioned previously, Prudential provides you with online term life insurance quotes for up to $250,000. When compared to other top life insurance providers, Prudential can satisfy the biggest range of needs when it comes to people requesting life insurance in the US. Living need benefit as well as children protection rider. The company has outstanding financial stability when it comes to the rating of AM Best and also Standard and Poor. It's humble beginning to a highly reputed Fortune 500 that offers a wide range of insurance products. It is a financially robust as if secured the highest possible rating from AM Best. They offer term life insurance coverage, whole life insurance, and universal life insurance like Geoprudential Financial. State Farm also provides potential customers with free online quotes, free various insurance plans, including permanent life policies by answering some questions. You can even extend term life insurance online without the need for a medical exam and from the convenience of your home. Another amazing contender for our overview is New York Life, which has been in business for a whopping 175 years. If this is not proof of their outstanding reliability, we don't know what is. Similar to the other top tier life insurance companies, New York Life has a very strong rating from AM Best and Standard and Poor. They offer several insurance products such as term life insurance, whole life, universal life, and variable universal life policies. One of the best services provided by New York Life is the ability of the policyholder to convert the term policy to a whole life policy later, in addition to providing a wide array of customizable add-ons that may be a valuable policy holder. Nonetheless, New York Life does not provide you with the convenience of generating an online quote, and instead you would fill in your contact information and a financial advisor would get in touch. So choose your life insurance policy wisely. I hope it will help you. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button, bell icon, stay connected. Bye bye.